This is what I currently look like, and I'm supposed to be at Grace's party in a couple of hours. Do I have an outfit? No, my outfit is still being altered because my designer, but I haven't been with Swazi in a very long time, so let's see what she can do to this man. I get location one says makeup, I'm not adequate. They are going because right now I look weird-ish without hair, right? And this is why I always have hair. So the hair is gonna pull this face and I'm gonna look hot. So it's a facelift. Mom, I'm a fan. Hello. Angazi noma letholwa ama-celebrity awina ama-award kuphela kodwa ke siswase-edre uyangimasaja ke manje ngazi hlapha itholwa yimina ngoba ngi-award winning celebrity but ke it's very important that once you do your makeup you do this. Siyekhaya, siyekhaya, siyekhaya. To die no more, 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 to die no more. When you are a baby girl, that's it. Well, basically, there's a story because I couldn't get an outfit, and I was like, let me find an outfit. You know what I mean? And then I was like, maybe we'll do that as well. Well, basically, there's a story because I couldn't get an outfit, and I was like, let me find an outfit. You know,
stick to the theme, bro. When you find a pick or wet one. Khathele yini lokhu ningisabisa la nithi uzophendula angilalanga izolo ngenxa yena ngiyisola ngithi bengenzani but now ukuthi uyaphendula I'm ready ngine black belt ngimshanga esinye spinning kick yombhanqa no Grace.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosta Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Saturday, bego party ya Grace Mondlana and bantu bebakhona laphana influencers lamaningi they were invited kufaka phakathi uDominic Zaqa, so bekakhona naye uDominic simbonile nje bantu abaningi bathi besingeke vele singamboni the way bekagqoke ngakhona, so people are saying ukuthi beka out of team bathi beka out of team labanye bathi yebo beka ku team team yona ngiyo but bekayiphi gogo nje bekayiphi gogo nami ngiyethema ngimbona uDominic and I was like ngithi ngibona labanye ngibona nje bagqoke umuntu bagqoke green lo unjani green kuphela lo omnye makagqoke green lo njani green kuphela ba green bu green side baningi nje baningi bo green but bantu bafile ngazuthi uDominic bekafuna kushaya Dome ngato nje ugeli bekafuna kutigqamela njengoba smart uyakuthanda kugqama so bantu abaningi bathi bekabukeka njengephigogo, so lokwento abantu abaningi bafila ngazuthi abeka out of team but yena beka ku team because I think team yakhe Grace bathi uthe onke amakhala nje egreen, ngaba ngi-dark green kungaba ngi-bright green bothile kumbe nithi ngithile kumbe nithi ngibani, it's not even till man ngiyawathi makhala bo-green nene guys mina ngiwadi but people are saying ukuthi lo bekamgqokile ngazuthi ngi-blue, so uthi Busakhawula yathi uMusakhawula you'd swear ukuthi like he was there because but bekangekho because uvele wabuka ke naye ma-picture wabona ukuthi lo muntu okhuluma naye ngaye ngithi. So Musakhawula ubhale ukuthi lapha kuthithwa ku-Twitter @Grace Mondlana's NDA party the team is green and your friend Dominic Zaqa is wearing a blue dress colorblind match with a question mark. Comment ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi ngi-blue or ngu-green lo gqoke Dominic mina nawe sibonana kule nshale video. I'm signing out, goodbye.